We see here a representation of the DNA molecule. The chromosomes in the nucleus of cells have DNA inside of them that make up the structures called chromosomes. This is the DNA molecule. We have a double helix structure made of two polynucleotide strands that are twisted together. The backbones of this strand are made of phosphate and sugar, and we have in every nucleotide a nitrogenous base. So we have the phosphate group bound to the deoxyribose sugar bound to a nitrogenous base. We have four types of nitrogenous bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. And if we press key here, we can see what every shape represents. We have the red shape here. It represents adenine. Green represents thymine. Notice that T and A are bound to each other. Blue represents cytosine and yellow represents guanine. Notice that C and G are bound to each other. And this is the phosphate backbone that is found in every polynucleotide strand. So here we have every nucleotide is a phosphoric acid, deoxyribose, and nitrogenous base. Now here we can switch from this model to the chemical structure of all of the molecules found in the DNA. And we can see their key also. So this is the structure of adenine, for example. This is the structure of thymine, and so on. But we're going to stay at the first model for simplicity. So the DNA is made up of two polynucleotide strands, and they are bound together by hydrogen bonds between the nitrogenous bases. So the nitrogenous bases keep the two strands together by hydrogen bonds between A and T, and also between C and G, and we call this the base pairing rule. We can use this tool here to zoom in and out. For example, if we want to zoom in on only 5 nucleotides, we choose 5 base pairs. We want to see 5 base pairs. A base pair is a nucleotide. And we can zoom out to see more and more. The two polynucleotide strands are anti-parallel, which means they are parallel, but they run in opposite directions. One direction is the 5' to 3', and it is the sense strand, and the other direction is the anti-sense strand.